Welcome to this quick guide on working with text in Lightburn. First, let's add some text. Select the Text tool on the left side of the screen. It looks like a letter A. Click anywhere on your workspace, then type out the text you want to add. Next, let's customize it. Use the top bar to change the font, size, spacing, and other styling options to make your text stand out. You can also adjust the size directly using the selection handles around your text box. Just click and drag the corners to resize, or use the side handles to stretch or compress. Now, if you want to create curved text or place your text along a path, it's easy. First, create the shape you want your text to follow. In this example, I'm using a circle. Once you've created your text, make sure it's selected. Now, hold the Shift key and click on the circle so both the text and the shape are selected. Right-click and choose Apply Path to Text from the menu. And that's it! You've just mastered one of the most powerful text features in Lightburn. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more easy-to-follow Lightburn guides.